Here we are up by a little bit of north of Sligo. We're heading towards a waterfall out here. And just figure we stop out by the lake. After we see the waterfall, then we'll be off to Slieve League.
The big waterfall made really good waterfall.
Back up a little bit so I can try to get the whole waterfall in the video.
Glencar Waterfall.
Well, we're climbing up the pathway to Slieve League cliffs.
Well, anyway, we're just going to Slieve League.
Oh yeah.
And it's pretty fun walking straight towards, I believe, a chain of mountains.
Well, Sam, Joy, and I, we climbed all the way up to Slieve League, and we got to see down the cliff edges. Joy,
Not
did you?
Worth it.
Oh, you wimp. I thought it was worth it.
Well,
Joy, did you like it?
Was worth it.
Do you think the view was great?
Yeah.
You loved it?
Well, the view, thumbs down. Thumbs down. The go down. Double thumbs up.
Joy was a real trooper. Sam's on his second big climb of the week, so.
If I had 5 thumbs, I would give it 5. But I only have 2.
Okay. All right, it changed. But what do you think of the pictures, babe?
Looks awesome. I hate that I had to miss it, but I don't think Evan could have done it.
Yeah. It's been a long driving day. We started out heading towards Sligo from around Galway and then going up to Slieve League. As soon as we left Slieve League, it took us about, with the kids going up there, it took us about 2 hours going up to Slieve League and walking back down to the car, about 2 hours. Did take plenty of breaks. It was Joy's first really big hike like that. So her being as young as she is, we had to take quite a few stops, but she did really good coming back down. She's a nice little trooper. And we've seen some pretty cool views. Didn't do any video up there. The wind was atrocious up there. I mean, we had to hold on to our hats. So here's our little cottage for the night up here by Ballycastle. Nice 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Kids got enough room here to run around out in the countryside.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.